Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the best metal pegboards out there, perfect for garages, workshops, and craft rooms. These pegboards are durable, versatile, and ready to transform your space. Stay tuned as we review top picks and help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 1. Wall Control 4 Feet Metal Pegboard. If you're looking for a heavy-duty pegboard, you'll want to opt for metal, and the Wall Control 30 WRK 400 is one of the top-selling options. This set includes three 32-inch x 16-inch pieces, which can be arranged as either a 96-inch x 16-inch or a 48-inch x 32-inch board, offering the largest board area on this list when fully assembled. Each metal board is powder-coated to prevent rusting and to make cleaning a breeze. Wall Control asserts that the board is built to last a lifetime, backing this claim with a limited lifetime warranty. This assurance is a comforting bonus, and it's even more impressive that this is the only pegboard set on the list available in multiple color options to match your garage's aesthetic. The Wall Control 30 WRK 400 is the most affordable metal pegboard on this list, earning our editor's pick title. However, it's worth noting that a few customers reported receiving the board with some bent corners upon delivery. Despite this issue, we still believe this is the best pegboard for the money. Key features: wall control slots, metal is durable and rust resistant, available in multiple colors, limited lifetime warranty. Number 2. Ultrawall 48x 36-inch Pegboard Wall Organizer. The Ultrawall garage storage stands out as the priciest option on this list, offering the ultimate in heavy-duty pegboard sets. It consists of 4 pieces measuring 24 inches x 14 inches each, which can be configured as 48-inch x 28-inch, 56-inch x 24-inch, or 96-inch x 14-inch setups. Crafted from powder-coated steel, these panels are more durable than the previously mentioned metal boards and include all necessary mounting hardware along with a generous 72 peg hook accessories, available in an elegant silver finish. It adds a touch of premium quality to any garage. When securely installed on 24-inch wall studs, the Ultrawall pegboard set boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, surpassing most professional tool chests. This exceptional strength means it can effortlessly handle even the heaviest gardening or plumbing tools, and you could even hang a bicycle on it without concern. In essence, if you require a top-tier pegboard capable of supporting substantial weight, this is the ideal choice for you. Pros: made out of a strong steel material, top-notch maximum load capacity, comes with a lot of accessories, the ultimate heavy-duty. Cons: steep price. Number 3. Toic Metal Pegboard Wall Organizer. This pegboard is a robust solution for organizing helmets, screws, hardware, and various hand or power tools, significantly decluttering your space and maintaining a tidy appearance. Its edge-folded design prevents scratching on walls. Each board boasts a maximum load capacity of 45 pounds, catering perfectly to both 1/4 and 1/8 inch peg holes. It's crafted from steel, offering durability that's 10 times greater than traditional plastic boards. Various hook styles meet diverse storage needs, complemented by 5 storage bins for small parts like screws, washers, and tape measures, including a convenient paper towel holder. Installation is straightforward on solid walls, featuring 2 24-inch shelves atop the pegboard. Weighing 32.8 pounds, this steel pegboard promises long-lasting durability and robust support, albeit with a substantial weight to handle during setup. Its silver finish blends seamlessly with most aesthetics, ensuring versatile placement. Backed by a 2-year warranty, you have peace of mind knowing support is available if needed, ensuring the product performs as promised. Number 4. Toic 4 Feet Metal Pegboard Organizer. Toic is renowned for its tool and bike storage racks, as well as its exceptional garage organizers, including top-notch pegboard sets. This particular set features 3 28-inch x 16-inch metal panels, configurable in either 84-inch x 16-inch or 48-inch x 28-inch layouts, with an impressive weight capacity of 800 pounds when properly installed. Similar to previous models, these metal boards are powder-coated for rust prevention and long-term durability. However, one standout feature of the Toic pegboard set is its extensive array of included hook accessories. Alongside the panels, you receive a comprehensive set of 109 accessories, including a shelf assembly unit, various tool holders, and an assortment of hooks and brackets. Mounting hardware is also provided for convenience. While this set does come at a slightly higher price point, it delivers excellent value for the investment. Whether you're hanging numerous heavy tools or a vast quantity of items, the toic pegboard set is designed to meet these demands flawlessly. It's worth noting that it's available only in white, which may require occasional cleaning to maintain its appearance, though you have the option to repaint it to suit your preference. Number 5. Wall Control Metal Pegboards Organization. The Wall Control Pegboard Value Pack offers an exceptional solution for organizing your wall storage. Constructed from powder-coated metal, these 3 panels measure 16 by 32 inches each and feature both circular and oval holes for maximum versatility in storage options. When securely mounted using the included hardware onto your studs, you can easily hang a wide variety of items. Moreover, these pegboards are available in 12 different colors, providing options beyond the typical industrial gray, white, and black. One enthusiastic kitchen user shared, "We've been using these pegboards for 2 months, and I'm obsessed." The wall control accessories are definitely the sturdiest and are perfect for hanging our cast iron. Many users appreciate the added benefit of magnetic properties. With their straightforward installation, adaptable functionality, and robust design, the Wall Control Pegboard Value Pack earns our top recommendation as the best overall choice available.